This second highly profitable business I'm going to reveal to you will make you tons of money in the year 2022. Welcome to my channel, Aksaka Cheche. In this channel, I talk about online business, income hacks, digital marketing, NFTs, and of course, the metaverse. Please like this video and subscribe for more videos like this one. It helps the algorithm to show this video to people who might also find it helpful, just like yourself. Let's get started. This business I'm about to reveal to you is smart e-commerce. A few years back, while I was still younger, around 16 or so, I was searching for ways to make money online, and I came across e-commerce. Now, then I had tried to do that with, I tried Shopify, Obelo, and some other dropshipping and e-commerce platforms, but not till now when I found this. Of course, those failed, they failed, yeah. But this is a real game changer. One of the reasons why e-commerce has been failing for some people is that they feel it's just about going to find a product and then selling it, but they are wrong. Now, here is what you could do differently. 1, find a problem. Find a problem. Many businesses fail because people just create products or services around their need. Yes, sometimes people might also have the same needs you have, but it's always better when you focus on finding the problem first. That way, you don't have a solution to a problem that does not exist. It's best to find a problem that is already existing, create an audience, build an audience around that problem, or even find where people who have that problem you just discovered are coexisting. If you found out that, then you need to go and find the product where you could get it, high quality, and of course, low cost. This is business and it needs to be profitable. If you've got all this, the final thing you need is to create a system to sell this and distribute it to people who will buy it from you. Here are several key things to take into consideration when starting e-commerce. 1, consider the value of the product you want to import. I've had some friends tell me about how they had a challenge in business because they imported products and the products were total shambles. They were very low quality, they were very bad, they could not sell them off. A friend even shared with me about a friend who had to fold her business because she lost millions of naira when she received products that were subpar in quality. So first, you need to test the genuineness of the worth of the products you are ordering. And secondly, you need to consider the cost of shipping them to where you are. All right. So if you want to import products, you want to calculate how much it's going to cost you. All right. This is business, and you need to do your maths. You need to find out if this is going to be profitable for you in the long run when you start the business. I had mentioned that one of the things you need to do for you to be successful in smart e-commerce is that you also do smart marketing. Of course, this is where stuff like Facebook ads, email marketing, Instagram ads, YouTube ads come into play. You want to put the products that you've just imported before the right people who value it enough to want to buy from you. And this can be done by running ads. So you want to consider so you want to be sure that the cost of the ads you'll be running would also be factored in, and that by the time you are done calculating your profits, you would still be very much profitable. Finally, you need to consider the cost of shipping to customers. Of course, people would buy from you, and when they do, you would have to send the products over to them. So you need to also factor this into your considerations of the total cost of this business before you start. When you start smart e-commerce, one of the things you could do to make more money is that you could also sell related products and services to these people. So for instance, if someone has ordered, say, a phone, You could sell a pouch, you could sell earpieces, headphones, chargers, cases, screen guards. Just sell things that related to and will also help them to use the product they've ordered from you better. If you do this, you'll be able to make more sales from one particular person because you're able to offer diversified products that offer a joint and solve a joint need. So for a recap, if you choose to do smart e-commerce, don't do it like most people. Find the problem. Secondly, find an audience or build an audience. 3, create a great marketing system to distribute and put your products in front of people who would buy them. 4, sell to these people. 5, sell to them again and again. Of course, you understand that this is where you need to have also great customer service, so people will have a great experience with you and will come back and even tell others about what you're doing. If you want to get into smart e-commerce, click the link in the comment section below and reach out to me and I will help you get started. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Au revoir.